Welcome to our ultimate guide on the top cordless vacuum cleaners of 2024. Whether you're battling pet hair, tackling hard floors, or cleaning cozy carpets, we've got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and home care tips. Let's dive in and find the perfect vacuum for your home. First up, we have the LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner. Known for its powerful suction and versatile design, this vacuum is perfect for both carpets and hard floors. Featuring a tangle-resistant roller brush, you'll save time and effort. With up to 50 minutes of battery life on eco mode, you can clean more with fewer interruptions. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and includes a handy pet tool for deep cleaning. The LEVOIT also boasts a 5-stage filtration system, capturing 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air emissions. Next, we have the Shark iX141 Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum. Designed with pet owners in mind, this vacuum provides incredible suction power and features a removable handheld vac for versatile cleaning. With a 40-minute runtime and LED headlights to illuminate hidden debris, cleaning under furniture and in tight spaces has never been easier. The XL dust cup means fewer trips to the trash, making your cleaning routine more efficient. Meet the BISSELL CleanView XR Pet Cordless Vacuum, a powerhouse designed to tackle pet hair with ease. With a 60% more powerful motor than competitors, it's perfect for deep cleaning for brush and tangle-free brush rolls. This vacuum offers a 40-minute runtime on standard power and features a removable battery for convenient charging. This SmartSeal Allergen System traps dust and allergens, providing a healthier environment for your family. The Black Plus Decker Power Series Plus Cordless Stick Vacuum is a versatile option for multi-surface cleaning. With AutoSense technology, it automatically adjusts suction power based on floor type, optimizing runtime. It offers up to 40 minutes of runtime and features LED floor lights to help locate hidden dirt. The anti-tangle brush bar makes hair pick up a breeze, ensuring you spend less time maintaining your vacuum. Introducing the Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum, known for its lightweight design and powerful performance. With up to 40 minutes of fade-free power, it's perfect for quick, versatile cleaning. The power trigger helps maximize energy efficiency, only using power where you need it. Choose between 2 cleaning modes for the right power on any floor type. The motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all surfaces and detangles long hair and pet hair as you clean. The EurekaNEC 180 Rapid Clean Pro offers efficient cordless cleaning with the latest motor technology. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of fade-free runtime and easily switch to max power for better cleaning on carpets and rugs. The Easy Rest feature allows you to prop the vacuum up safely on countertops and furniture, while LED headlights illuminate dust and debris for thorough cleaning under furniture. The Eco Pure 1S15 Pet Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for pet owners. Its zero-tangle technology targets hair messes without wrapping, making the brush easy to clean. With a one-touch trigger, you'll never have to touch dust again. The illuminate Smart Sensor automatically adjusts suction power based on detected siling, improving cleaning efficiency. Plus, the freestanding charging base offers convenient storage without drilling or marking walls. Finally, we have the Shark SV1106 Navigator Freestyle Upright Bagless Cordless Stick Vacuum. This lightweight and portable vacuum is optimized for both carpets and hard floors, providing premium pet hair pickup throughout your home. With a 2-speed brush roll and XL dust cup, you can clean without interruption. The precision charging base doubles as a storage block, making charging and storing a breeze. Each of these cordless vacuums offers unique features to meet your specific cleaning needs. Whether you prioritize powerful suction, long battery life, or specialized pet tools, there's a perfect match for you. We hope this guide helps you find the right cordless vacuum cleaner for your home. Happy cleaning!